How's it going, guys? I'm Wes with Big Daddy Unlimited, joined today by Amanda. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm doing well. We are out here at Copperhead Consulting's ranch. Thanks to them for letting us come out here have some fun. We figured in honor of Halloween, we could have a little bit of pumpkin fun. So why don't we start with a little bit of baseball bat action?
It's not much action going on there, but what about mine?
All right, let's do this.
Oh, hold up. The frame of this.
All right, what'd you think about that?
That just wasn't satisfying.
What would you do differently? All right, so 9mm shouldn't be powerful enough to set off some Tannerite, but I got this Eric's Delta out here and I figured, why not? All right, so 9mm does not set off Tannerite.
Alright, so we're going to shoot the pistol at some Tannerite today. We have the FK Bruno. It shoots 7.5 Bruno.
All right, we got the CZ550 Magnum, which we have affectionately dubbed our elephant gun. Let's see what this can do for a little pumpkin here. Woo! America! That was a hell of a time. Special thanks again to Copperhead Consulting for letting us borrow their property for a fun day celebrating America.
Make sure to check out Big Daddy Unlimited for all your gun needs, ammo, and supplies.
Go ahead and hit that subscribe button on YouTube if you like what you see here. We'll have a lot more fun videos coming. And have a happy Halloween.
Broken.
No, the GoPro's good. It's the wide angle.
Nice.